Can you picture?
No, you're so good.
Yeah? Wandering Oaken here. Happy summer snow day from me to you.
Epcot is like way less crowded than every other park we've been to. So we started out soaring around the world on Soarin', and we got the front row seats. It was so nice. It was front middle. We went on the Frozen ride and then got dumplings.
Our butts soaked.
Got our butts soaked in the boats, and then we got food from the China station and drinks, and it's another 94-degree day, so we're trying not to get skin cancer. Hot food on a hot day.
To play as we go. We sing and we samba, we shout. It's trippy! What makes Alcalá? Who is? I don't know. With rich caballeros, tricky caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather.